How to connect the JYME02-485. Step 1. Check wiring. Red to 5 volt, yellow to A, green to B, and black to G and D. Step 2. Connect the USB cable to the computer. Step 3. Open the Witmotion software. Step 4. Fill in JYME02-485. Step 5. Click Search Device, and the COM port will be automatically searched. Just check this file all. You can see the data after connection is successful. When the device can't be found, you can manually add. Select the correct COM port. Click plus to display it. Check this file all, and you can see the data after the connection is successful.